Cut up. Cut up. As the king enters to Gonzales, Louisiana. Cut up. Cut up. Cut up. Cut up. This how I go down right here. He meet me. February 6, 2022. This is the fourth day of the, let's see, 12th Hebrew calendar month. ADAR, year 5782. Look at the temperature. Oh, we got terrible floodwaters coming. Cut up. Cut up. We rolling at the same time. Cut up. Cut up. We got terrible floodwaters coming. 120. 120. You better get ready, New Orleans, Louisiana. You better get ready. You better get ready. 120. You better get ready. You have not made me rich. Texas, you have not made me rich. I want my $500 million. State of Texas government officials. Cut up. Sounding an alarm. The floodwaters are coming. The floodwaters are coming. Floodwaters are coming. That's rolling in at the same time. Already saw terrible accident on the GNO Bridge, Great New Orleans Bridge. Then on the spillway, looked like both of the vehicles are turned over, heading to New Orleans, Louisiana. February 6, 2021. No, the 22. 22. Get your last blow. Blow it out. Blow it out. Blow it out. Cut up. That's how it goes, brothers and sisters. That's how it goes. The Most High is with the King, showing the anointing. What I'm telling you is going to happen. It's going to happen in New Orleans, Louisiana. It's going to happen throughout Louisiana. I'm telling you in advance. I'm going to put it on Facebook. I'm going to put it on YouTube. I'm going to put it on Instagram. That you're here in advance. The Most High God want you, my people, to help me. The chosen people, Negroes, Latinos, Native American Indians, you should have been and helped me. Long time ago. And the government officials, you should have been exalted me and honored me. So I say shalom.